Wizard Labs once again, and I have a wonderful drink for you guys for summertime. It is a lime sherbet margarita. So here we go, we're gonna start. It takes 2 of our flavors and lime sherbet ice cream. You're gonna wanna put 2 scoops of lime sherbet ice cream in your blender. I'm sure you have a blender at home, everyone does. So I got 2 scoops of lime sherbet ice cream. Fill up the blender with maybe, I would go with half a cup of ice. There you go. And you're gonna go with half a shot of triple sec. 1, 2. It's not really pouring out well, but yeah, that's about a half a shot there. It's 2 count. And you're gonna go with 1 shot of tequila. It's a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta keep it pouring because it's not really pouring out. There you go, that's about a shot there. And then you are going to rim your glass. You got your margarita glass here. You're gonna rim your glass with corn syrup. And just, I'll show you here. See, I have it on a paper plate. And then a little salt, if you like salt. It's optional, you can go without salt. I like salt in my margarita, so there we go. And we're gonna add our lime, Capella lime flavor by Capella, like I said. I'm gonna go with 2 drops. 1, 2. And then the second flavor we're gonna add, it's not a flavor actually, it is a sweetener because this recipe actually calls for, the thing came off, but it calls for powdered sugar, but I don't really wanna use powdered sugar, so I'm gonna go with our sweetener, Sugar Daddy. I'm just gonna do 2 drops. There you go. That's about 2 drops there. And then we're gonna blend it. Ready? Here we go. All blended up. Here's our lime sherbet margarita. And you know, if you want, you can add a little more tequila. Make it however you want. It's so refreshing. It's like a dessert. It's so frozen. It's so like refreshing and tasty. You're gonna love this. Sitting outside on a hot summer day. There it is, your lime sherbet margarita, guys. Cheers. Hey guys, if you liked what you saw, click below for the next drink, tiramisu martini.
Wait, what?